How to use SkinCeuticals Vitamin C CE Ferulic. Apply your vitamin C always in the morning on a freshly clean skin. I like to take 4 or 5 drops, apply it on my fingertips, 4 or 5 drops. I don't want to waste my product, so right here, and I dab it in. Neck and also my hand. If you are new to active ingredients like this one, I would highly recommend introducing this vitamin C in the morning every second day. Often should I use my SkinCeuticals vitamin C? Every morning, 4 or 5 drops. Can I use my SkinCeuticals vitamin C at night? No. The reason you shouldn't is because not only this vitamin C can help you with anti-aging, brightening, collagen production in the skin, but also protects you from visible light, which is your cell phone, your laptop. By applying this vitamin C in the morning, you are protected from environmental aggressors. If you are looking for a dupe, you are not going to find one. This vitamin C by SkinCeuticals has been studied for 30 years. And they have developed this one to the perfection, where there is L-ascorbic acid. Percentage of the L-ascorbic acid must be between 10 and 20. And also pH of the product is no higher than 3.5. Your vitamin C must meet those criteria to work effectively in your skin. Which SkinCeuticals vitamin C is best for you? Phloretin CF targets pigmentation, acne, and early signs of aging. CE Ferulic targets advanced signs of aging and dryness. Serum 10 targets sensitive skins. If you have questions regarding SkinCeuticals vitamin C serums, comment below or contact us and we'll be happy to help.